Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are discussing the triple bottom line reporting. So here this is a small topic where we are going to discuss how the triple bottom line reporting is accomplished, means how we can report the triple bottom line reporting. So here the triple bottom line reporting is consist of three dimensions, that is three P's: people, planet, and profit, or environment, social, and economic. So the first one is economic. Economic, that is economic in the sense we are talking about money terms, we are talking about the profit, we are talking about the earnings of the company. So here reporting in terms of the finance is can be done by following the gap principles, or if it is in other countries by IFRS, or if it is in India by following the Indes. Okay, so it can be any gap. Gap includes IFRS, accounting standards, Indes, IAS. It includes all the standards. Next, should be report on the customers. Percentage of customers increased. Next, it should talk about the suppliers. It should focus on all the expenditure, all the cost include all the cost which is spent for the purpose of purchasing the raw materials and the resources. Next is employees. So here employees, their wages, their salaries, their extra any extra incentives, bonuses, any French benefits, etc. So all the expenditures in terms of money, it should be disclosed, either it is in terms of employees, suppliers, customers. All these things should be disclosed, and it should follow the gap principles. Next is society, that is people. So here first point example can be for the society, for the social reporting, that is bribery and corruption. So here we know the corruption as a word which has become very familiar for all the people, right? So in every either it is a private organization, either it is a government office, or any small particularly mainly majorly in the government offices and the government sections, the people who are who are in the administrative section, or who are responsible for doing any particular work, they will ask us for the corruption. So here the main responsibility of the company people is not to bribe, not to corrupt, not to give any corruption to any political people or any government officer, right? So it is our they should think that it is our responsibility to reduce this kind of crime. Corruption is also a crime, right? So to reduce those things, you should not give corruption to anyone. Next is political contribution. So here supporting to any particular company is also not being considered as a good. So you should be you should not support to any particular political company. We don't know how that particular company, particular political party will going to do a good work for the society or not. We don't know. They will do so many promises before taking the oaths, but after winning the elections, we know better how they are performing. So there is no need to support any political parties. Next is child labor. So here eradication of the child labor, the support from the company side should be done to eradicate the child labor. Next is security practices. So here the best example if we can see in the present scenario is the many of the advertisements of the particular product company, they are issuing a message like for wearing the mask, for you wearing for using the sanitizers, for maintaining social distance in order to prevent the COVID-19. So here these are some of the examples for the society welfare or society services. It can also include the scholarships and any kind of education, opening of any kind of education institutions, schools, colleges or orphanages, etc., can also be reported in the dimension of the society. Next is the environment. So here environment means protecting our planet. So protecting our planet, efficient use of energy, water, and also saving the animals and the plants, that is biodiversity, existence of different kinds of animals and plants together, so that is biodiversity. So we need to protect them also. Next is emissions, effluents and waste. So whatever the emissions, effluents, harmful waste you are discharging from your factories, that should be stopped in order to protect the environment. So this is how we can accomplish, this is how we can complete, or we can bring triple bottom line reporting, that is economic, social and environment. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments below or in your WhatsApp group. So if you found this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.